Good day all around. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will teach you how to put the squelch tone. Hear that? Okay. On your Cygnus or Baopeng radio, just press menu. Oh, it's too dark. Go find step up. Save. Wide. Deep. UT. PTTID off. Because when it's no. Sorry.
Confirm.
My bad. Yan, STE is off. Because when it's on,
Confirm.
you will hear when we put it off, menu,
Menu.
and menu again, off, menu to confirm,
Confirm.
and when you put that's it. Thank you. 73.